All right, I'm going to give you a little brief tutorial on a site called Canva.com. Canva is really great for making infographics. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Canva.com. You'll create a login. You can use Google or you can just sign up for an account. It will bring you to this page, which is your home page. You'll click in the upper left-hand corner where it says infographic. And it will open a new tab with your blank document. At the bottom right-hand corner, you will see a button that will allow you to zoom in if you want to see your infographic up close. On the left-hand side, you can scroll through and you'll see a variety of layouts, and you kind of just want to think about what the data is that you are trying to represent and what is the best format for that data. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on any of these just to give you an idea and show you kind of what Canva has to offer. So once you select your layout, you are able to change anything in the background, anything with color, with text. So with text, you can change the font, you can change the size, the color, you're able to make it bold, italics, change the centered or left aligned. You are able to change the spacing as well. Things you can add photos, you can add grids, there's frames, there's some shapes, illustrations, icons, charts, and then some stickers. I'm just going to choose to show you 2 or 3 of the features that I think are the most common. The first one is photos. You're able to insert any of the free photos. There's over 1 million images, and what's nice about the free photos is they're already licensed for free commercial use, so you're able to modify them and use them in any of your projects without having to cite your source. Shapes is a really great tool. You can use it to add emphasis to your infographic. As you can see here, they used shapes to help create these little raindrops or this little water droplet section here. Another interesting feature on Canva is the charts. They have all kinds of charts like bar graphs, pie graphs, line graphs, etc. You can also include tables, and all of the charts are able to be edited for color as well as for numerical value. Icons is a great section that users often go to when they need to insert things visually, but they don't want to use an actual photo. It's kind of like a clip art section, if you will. Another thing about Canva is the text features. You can add like stickers and you can adjust them and change them as you want, or you can just simply add another text box. Up here, you just click on it and it adds it right into your infographic. If you don't like it, you just click on that and then you click the delete button. You can also change things like your background. It will give you colors already in the palette, and then it will also give you other options as well as textured options back here. The uploads feature is nice if you're creating an original project. As you can see here, I was working on a cookie recipe, so I had to insert and upload some photos from my recipe so that I could make my cookie infographic. A nice feature for students and teachers is the share feature. This is new to Canva. This allows users in Canva to edit the same infographic. All you need is their email address, and then you select if you want to give them editing rights or viewing rights. If you look at the social tab, you can upload it to Twitter or Facebook. The embed link is really awesome. If you make your design public, you are able to embed that right into WordPress or a website. So if you're running a blog or you have a classroom website, you can embed your infographic directly into the site itself. If you're looking to download or print, all you need to do is click the download button, and you can select from JPEG or PDF and some other features as well, and then you just click the download button. Well, that was a really quick and simple tutorial of Canva. Now that you've sort of seen a brief introduction to Canva, I hope you get out there and start creating infographics of your own.